Hey, what's going on everyone? So Xiaomi has finally revealed the launch date for the Redmi Note 10 series in India. So in this video we'll be talking brief what we know so far about Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 series like the launch date, specs and leaks. We would recommend you to watch this video till the end for your better understanding. My name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics. Let's begin. Before starting the video, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. We upload videos in a regular basis. Redmi Note 10 series launch date in India is set for March 4. Xiaomi on Tuesday revealed through its social media channels. The Chinese company also sent a block your calendar invite to the media for the virtual launch event where it will host the global debut of the new Redmi Note models. The new development comes just after Xiaomi revealed that it's set to launch the Redmi Note 10 series in March. The new series will come as the successor to the Redmi 9 lineup that was introduced with the launch of Redmi 9 Pro and Redmi 9 Pro Max in March last year. Xiaomi revealed the launch date of the Redmi Note 10 series through a tweet posted by official Redmi India Twitter account. Xiaomi Vice President and its Managing Director in India Manu Kumar Jain also tweeted the launch date through its account. Separately, Xiaomi sent media invites for the launch. Although Xiaomi has not revealed how many models will be available under the Redmi Note 10 series, it is likely to introduce at least two options initially, the regular Redmi Note 10 and the superior Redmi Note 10 Pro. Both new models are speculated to have 4G and 5G connectivity options. The Redmi Note 10 series will be available for purchase through Amazon alongside other sales channels as confirmed from a landing page featured on the e-commerce site. A purported screenshot of Amazon listing was recently believed to suggest March 10 as the Redmi Note 10 series launch date. However, that could just be pointing out availability schedule for the new series in the country. Both Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro purportedly received certification from bodies including the Bureau of Indian Standards, also known as BIS, and the US Federal Communications Commission (FCC). The smartphones are expected to run on Android 11 with MIUI 12 on top. In the series, the Redmi Note 10 Pro is tipped to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G SoC and a 5050 mAh battery. It is also rumored to have up to 8GB of RAM and 120GB of onboard storage. In contrast, the Redmi Note 10 could come with a 6GB RAM option and 64GB storage option. Processor details of the regular model are yet to be revealed though. More details will be revealed by the official sources in the following days. We'll make a separate video on this when we got all the information verified. So that is all for today's video. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button. And please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Sayonara.